Hello foodies, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make this barbecue chicken pizza. This pizza is absolutely delicious and I'll be making use of a barbecue sauce in place of a regular tomato pizza sauce. I hope you enjoy. Please remember to like, subscribe and share this video with your friends. Let's bake. For our dough, we'll be needing a mixture of warm water, sugar and yeast. In order to rehydrate my yeast, I'll be leaving this mixture to rest for about 10 minutes. All measurements will be in my description box. While waiting for the yeast, I'm going to be prepping the flour by adding a teaspoon of salt, giving it a mix. You know, salt brings out the personality of sugar. Once creamy, we know our mixture is ready. We'll be combining the two mixtures to form our dough. I will be adding few tablespoons of olive oil. Remember, you can substitute this with either your butter or your normal vegetable oil. They all work fine. For total control of my dough, I'll be transferring this to a kneading surface. I'm going to be kneading this till it becomes soft and the ingredients well incorporated. Forming a ball shape with the dough, I'll be greasing the surface of the dough and the bowl with some extra olive oil. I'll also be covering this to let this dough double in size. In the meantime, I'll be shredding my mozzarella cheese. I recommend you shred yours yourself. Sprinkle some semolina flour on your work surface. This helps or prevents the dough from sticking. I'll be using this pressing and stretching method to achieve my pizza shape. Remember, you can also use a rolling pin, so it's best to do as you can. It's time for our topping. I'll be using my favorite barbecue sauce for this. Gently dab the sauce on the surface of the pizza. Be mindful of the quantity to avoid having a soggy pizza. The next topping is our chicken, and I'm using a grilled chicken breast for this recipe. I recommend you add the chicken before your cheese because the cheese provides a blanket, helping in moisture retention of the meat. So sprinkle some chopped onions and we are good to bake. I'll be baking this in a preheated oven. Boom! Our pizza is ready. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please remember to give me a thumbs up, drop your comments, share and subscribe. Also, if you made use of this recipe, I want you to tag me on Instagram so that I'll be able to see it and I'll be giving you a shout out in my next video. Bye for now. See you in my next video and stay blessed.